Hey guys, this is Shivangi Srivastav and welcome to my channel. The Union Budget for the financial year 2021 to 2022 has been announced today on 1st of February 2021 by our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji. The unique thing about this budget is that it was the first paperless budget of India, which was announced by the help of a tab which was made in India. Another unique thing about this budget is that the budget allocation for health sector has been raised by 137%, which is highest in the history of India. Now let's come to the real part of the budget. In this video, we are going to understand the key highlights of this budget in simple words and we'll figure out how is it going to affect the life of common people like me and you. So let's begin. From an individual taxpayer point of view, there has been no change in the budget 2021. There has been no change in the tax slabs or tax percentage, which means that if you are a salaried employee or a direct taxpayer, then the way you used to pay tax a year earlier, you are going to continue the same thing this year also. However, in the Union Budget 2021, the government has announced some steps that it has taken in order to ease the process of tax payment or to file income tax return. However, there is a big relief for the taxpayers who are of the age above 75, which means that if we have somebody, our grandparents or parents who are taxpayers or are getting some income as a pension or interest but are of the age more than 75, then they don't have to pay any tax. Yes, they don't have to pay any tax. A rule of minimum wage is going to be applied in all categories or sectors of job in order to abolish the problem of underpayment or exploitation of workers. Well, the Union Budget 2021 is being called as Health Budget 2021 by so many people. What's the reason? The reason is that a huge chunk of our budget is being invested in improving the health sector of India, keeping in mind that our country is recovering from a global health emergency. Yes, this year for the first time in history of India, the budget allocation for health sector has been increased by 137%. An amount of 35,000 crore rupees has been allocated for COVID vaccination this year in India. If you see the price of one COVID vaccine, then you can find out that 100 crores of COVID vaccines can be made out of this budget. So according to my prediction or according to my sixth sense, you can say that the COVID vaccine is going to be provided to the people of India at very low cost or completely free of cost. Big point presented in Union Budget 2021 about health sector is that the FDI at health sector has been increased from 49% to 74%. What does that mean? FDI stands for Foreign Direct Investment, which means that the government is clubbing with the investors or the common people of India and foreign in order to improve the health sector in India, and the percentage of that investment has been increased now. There's a bad news for the people who like to buy mobile devices or mobile chargers and gadgets very frequently. The custom duty on mobile devices and chargers have been increased by 2.5%, which means that the prices of these kind of devices are going to increase heavily now. Prices of gold and silver are supposed to be less expensive this fiscal year. So if you are an investor, then it is a good time for you to invest in gold and silver. In the Union Budget 2021, there were some reforms for the agriculture sector also. Let me read it out for you. Our Finance Minister said that Rs 75,100 crore has been allocated for the farmers of the country. The Finance Minister also announced an increase in agriculture credit target to Rs 16.5 lakhs crore in fiscal year 2021 and 22. Apart from this, the government also said that procurement of produce by the government under minimum support price, which we call MSP, will continue at a steady price. Under this, 43.36 lakh wheat growing farmers will be benefited from the government procurement under the MSP as against 35.57 lakhs previously. So these were some of the points of Union Budget 2021 that I thought are worth stating, worth explaining, and are really going to affect our lives. So if you like the budget, then please let me know. If you don't like the budget, then please let me know in the comment section below. If you like my video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon. If you have any special feedback or any special suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section below. Or you can connect me through my social media accounts where I keep on posting such amazing content regularly. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back next week with a new video. Namaskar.